Hello. Today we are going to present you another financial model, which is e-commerce retail. This financial model is for business who provide services in e-commerce industry. The financial model helps to work more efficiently in your financial transactions and financial management. The Org Business Consultant provide financial model for your business to fulfill your business and financial needs. It contains financial statements and includes profit and loss on monthly and yearly basis, balance sheet statement, cash flow statement, and along with some relevant information which allow your business to get deep analysis of your financial. Moving on to input sheet. The key area where you can add your business specific information. As you can see, the highlighted area can be changeable according to your assumptions. It includes your starting date of your business, investment, loan schedule, rate, cost of goods sold, revenue assumptions, payroll, operational expenses, capital expenditure for your assets, taxation, accounts payable, account receivables, and inventory in days. Moving on to startup summary. It is the estimation of how much investment required for the business. It enables to know about your variable and fixed costs. As you can see, the graphical representation of variable and fixed cost and utilization of funds, which include startup expense and startup asset, will help you to analyze your startup cost. Moving on to revenue analysis. The revenue analysis on monthly basis of 5 years includes your total number of new visitors and your total number of orders by customers. Further, it includes revenue and cost of goods sold of your each category and your products separately. At the end of the sheet, you will have your total revenue and total cost of goods sold. As you can see, the highlighted area can be changeable. Customer who repeats is 10% here. I am going to change it to 20%. As you can see, the data has changed according to my assumptions. You can change according to yours. Moving on to depreciation table. The depreciation table includes your equipment, office, furniture, and other fixed assets cost. Further, it includes the graphical representation of your fixed asset. It will help you to analyze your depreciation schedule. Moving on to loan schedule. Loan schedule allow to analyze the amount paid to their lenders and interest expenses. Moving on to monthly P&L. The monthly P&L statement includes your revenue of 60 months, cost of goods sold, gross profit, all kind of your expenses, and at the end of the sheet you will have profit after tax and interest and graphical representation of monthly its income statement over. Moving on to yearly profit and loss statement. It further includes your profitability analysis graph, which will help you to analyze your 5 years revenue, gross profit, EBITDA, and net profit performance. Moving on to cash flow statement. The cash flow statement shows the inflow and outflow of cash of your business. It includes your operational activities, financial activities, and investing activities. Moving on to balance sheet. The balance sheet includes your asset and equity and capital, and it shows the financial overall financial position of your company of 5 years. Moving on to break-even point. The break-in point is the revenue need to meet the break-even point. It shows the graphical representation which will help you to analyze your break. Moving on to sensitivity analysis. It includes your actual pessimistic and moderate plans which will affect your revenue and cost assumptions. It will help you to analyze in different scenarios. Moving on to project evaluation. It includes your cost of capital, initial investment, expected constant growth after 5 years, company valuation, expected equity percent offered to investor, burn rate analysis, and minimum investment required. Moving on to dashboard. The dashboard shows the graphical representation of your financial, which will help you to analyze your overall performance of your business. Moving on to diagnostic tool. The diagnostic tool includes gross margin and some other kind of ratios which will help you to analyze your business. Further, it includes profitability metrics in graphical form.